one thing I need to do now is there's a lubrication required for the piston itself, which is called throat seal oil. So TSL or throat seal oil, or separating oil as we used to call it, this is liberally applied to the piston. So you flood the piston with this oil. And you can see it's at the top. It does two things. One is it lubricates the top packings, which I'll show you when I dismantle this pump. But the lubrication oil also is an indicator for me. The indication is that when those top packers wear to the stage or to the degree of wear that they require replacing, that TSL oil will indicate wear by having having pigment from the material in the oil. So in this case we're using a white, you can see a white, so I'll have a whiting or a milking of the oil, which indicates to me that it's starting to wear. Now there's two things I can do. Is one, I can just leave it and wait until paint starts running out the top here, or I can adjust the castellated nut on the top and squash the packings down.